first thing you notice is the shine. Not the kind of shine you get from a luxury sports car sitting in a showroom, but something deeper, something that feels like the future rolled straight out of a sci-fi movie and parked itself in the middle of nowhere. This metallic futuristic camper isn't just a vehicle. It feels alive. Every curve reflects the sky like liquid chrome. Every edge looks aerodynamic, and every detail screams innovation. Now imagine this. You wake up beside a quiet lake with fog drifting across the water. No hotel bookings, no crowded cities, no stress. Just you, the open road, and this incredible metallic home on wheels. That's the dream this futuristic camper delivers. And trust me, once you step inside, things get even crazier. The entrance door slides open silently like something from the year 2050. Soft LED lighting glows beneath the floor panels, creating this calm, futuristic atmosphere that instantly makes the entire space feel expensive and cozy at the same time. The metallic walls reflect tiny accents of light, giving the interior a smooth, high-tech vibe without feeling cold or empty. Everything inside has a purpose. Nothing feels wasted. The seating area transforms in seconds. One moment, it's a stylish lounge where you can relax with panoramic windows all around you. And the next moment, it becomes a comfortable sleeping space that looks straight out of a luxury capsule hotel. The furniture folds, rotates, and hides storage compartments in places you'd never expect. And the windows? Massive. You're not just camping anymore. You're carrying the world with you. Imagine parking this futuristic machine beside snowy mountains, deep forests, or endless desert roads while sitting inside with climate control, ambient lighting, and your favorite music echoing through hidden speakers. This is freedom upgraded. But here's where things become unbelievable. The kitchen inside this metallic camper looks like it belongs in a luxury penthouse. Smooth surfaces, hidden cabinets, futuristic touch controls, compact appliances, and smart storage solutions make every inch feel engineered for modern travel. You could literally cook breakfast while parked on a cliff overlooking the ocean. And somehow it still feels minimal and uncluttered. That's the magic of futuristic design. It's clean, smart, efficient. Now let's talk about mobility, because this thing is built for adventure. Unlike giant RVs that struggle on narrow roads, this futuristic metallic camper is designed to move smoothly almost anywhere. Tight mountain roads? No problem. Hidden camping spots? Easy. Long highway journeys? It glides like a spaceship. And because of its lightweight metallic body, the entire camper feels incredibly modern and aerodynamic. Even standing still, it looks fast. At night, the transformation is unreal. Exterior LED strips illuminate the metallic shell with a soft, futuristic glow that makes this camper look like it landed from another planet. People walking by would probably stop just to stare at it. Honestly, you wouldn't blame them. This thing doesn't look normal. It looks like tomorrow. But despite all the futuristic technology, the camper still manages to feel warm and relaxing. That's what makes it special. A lot of futuristic concepts look cool, but feel lifeless. This one feels like home. Picture yourself curled up inside, while rain taps gently against the metallic roof. Warm lighting surrounds the cabin. The windows frame the storm outside like moving artwork. You've got coffee in your hand, complete silence around you, and absolutely nowhere you need to be. That's a different kind of luxury. And wait until you see the bedroom setup. The sleeping area is compact but incredibly cozy, using soft textures, hidden lighting, and smart design to maximize comfort. Above the bed, tiny ambient lights create a calming atmosphere almost like a private starry sky. It feels futuristic, but also peaceful, like your own private escape pod traveling across the world. And storage? Everywhere. Hidden compartments under the floor, built into walls, behind seats, and inside modular furniture make this camper perfect for long-term adventures. You can carry clothes, gear, tools, supplies, and still keep the interior looking clean and organized. That's something most campers struggle with. Now imagine taking this metallic, futuristic camper completely off-grid. Solar panels quietly